India has started evacuating its staff from its consulate in Afghanistan, Mazar-e-Sharif, in the view of the deteriorating situation in the country following the violence by the Taliban. A special flight is set to leave Mazar-e-Sharif for New Delhi on Tuesday evening to evacuate Indians in the wake of the violence by the Taliban around the capital city of Balkh province. The Indian consulate in Mazar-e-Sharif tweeted, "A special flight is leaving from Mazar-e-Sharif to New Delhi. Any Indian nationals in and around Mazar-e-Sharif are requested to leave for India in the special flight scheduled to depart late today evening." It also asked Indian citizens who want to leave by the special flight to submit the details with their full name and passport number to the consulate immediately. 9 parties, including the BJP and the Congress, were held guilty of contempt and 8 fined today by the Supreme Court for not widely publishing the criminal records of their 2020 Bihar candidates. The Congress, BJP and the 5 more parties were fined 1 lakh rupees each, and CPM and Nationalist Congress Party were fined 5 lakh rupees for not making public their candidates' criminal cases ahead of the Bihar elections in November. Records of criminal cases have to be made public by the parties within 48 hours of the candidate selection, the Supreme Court said, in a big step to cleanse politics. The forthcoming census will be the first digital census, and there is a provision of self-numeration for it, the centre told Lok Sabha on Tuesday in response to a question by Congress lawmaker Shashi Tharoor on whether there will be any changes or any additional information required in the 2021 census as compared to the previous editions. In a written response, the centre said a mobile app for the collection of the data and census portal for management and monitoring various census-related activities have been developed. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain on Tuesday said that Delta variants of coronavirus disease have been detected in at least 80% of the samples sent for genome sequencing during the second wave of the pandemic in the national capital. He further said that more than 80% of the fresh cases being reported in Delhi are also of Delta variant. Delhi reported 52 new COVID-19 cases, 45 recoveries and 1 death in the last 24 hours. Few days ahead of the 75th Independence Day, the army hoisted the tallest national flag in Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday. The 100-meter high flag was hoisted at the famous tourist destination of the valley, Gulmarg. The 100-feet high Indian flag symbolizes the beginning of a new era of peace and patriotism in Kashmir. The project has been jointly executed by the Indian Army and Solar Industries Private Limited. Foundation stone of the project was laid on February 7, 2021, and the flag dedicated to the nation on August 10, 2021, read a statement of the Indian Army.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.